If you've tried searching on YouTube as of the day this video was uploaded, you'll notice a very strange message appearing just below the search bar. Experiment. There may be confidential content in your search results. Please do not share outside Google. Well, what does this mean? I'm going to tell you. First, we need to examine the message closely. If you count the number of characters, you'll get 106. That's including 2 periods and 1 colon, a total of 4 dots. So, let's subtract 4 from 106 and we get 102. That's 2 numbers higher than 100. Something's not right here. So now we look at the number 100. The United States Senate has 100 senators. Now we've established one significance here, but we need to look at another element of the message, the color. It's red. What else is red? A pentagram.